Welcome to part 3 of our series, Programming Skills You Need for Automation Testing. In this session, we'll focus on Java, one of the most widely used languages in automation testing. Learning programming is essential for automation testing. It helps drive the browser, write test logic, and debug scripts. Java, being the most popular with Selenium, is a great place to start. You should be comfortable with Java basics like variables, operators, loops, and methods. Arrays and collections help manage test data. These form the foundation of automation scripts. Object-oriented concepts are at the heart of automation frameworks. Classes and objects help structure code. Inheritance and encapsulation improve reusability and maintainability. Real automation projects use Java in many ways, from POM structures to looping through web elements. You'll use collections, validations, and utility methods to build effective tests. Knowing how to handle exceptions and debug your code is crucial. Use try-catch blocks, read stack traces, and debug in your IDE. Logging and assertions also help monitor and report test outcomes. Java testers benefit from libraries like Apache POI to read Excel files, Jackson or GSON for JSON, and Log4j for logging. Combine these with Selenium and TestNG to create full test solutions. Practice is key. Start with basic Java programs, solve logical problems, and build consistency. Use platforms like HackerRank, and gradually apply what you learn to small automation scenarios. Once you're confident with Java, move on to learning Selenium, TestNG, and tools like Maven and Git. Eventually, you'll explore C/CD integration and automation frameworks like Page Object Model. Thanks a lot for watching part 3 of our automation testing series. We hope this session gave you a strong foundation in the Java programming skills you'll need to succeed as an automation tester. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends or colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support encourages us to create more in-depth and beginner-friendly content. Stay tuned for part 4, where we'll begin learning Selenium, one of the most essential tools in automation testing. See you there.